Hey everyone, how's it going? Tech with Chris here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. And today, guys, I have another special unboxing for you guys. And this is the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro along with the clip case with the carabiner hook. Now, this is gonna be the last unboxing video on the channel for a long while. My guy's gonna say, "Yo, is Samsung giving you these products? Are they delayed? Or what to the embargo, whatever? Did you miss the embargo?" The answer is no. I don't have any embargoes. I ordered this because my Galaxy Buds 2 Pro started acting up one day, right before on vacation. So these actually took a very long time for me to get. I just want to say a little quick thing is that Samsung's website gives you one date and then UPS gives you another date. I kid you not. These little buds supposed to come out. These little buds said the 13th. UPS said today, aka the 7th. I was like, alright, just give me a date. So once I got track number stuff, I was all set to go. And I'm very excited to show you guys this. I know these are gonna be a little different because the stem style and stuff. And I'm also gonna show you guys what it looks like in the new carabiner case as well. And also, we'll say one last final farewell to the Buds 2 Pro, where I'll show you how to set these up as well to your phone and how they look real quick. So, alright. Moment of truth right here. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So, let's put that to a side. Let's unbox the Buds. So, there's little pull tabs right here. No need to get a knife. Let's give it a little rip like that. That's one. Get a little rip like that. That's two. And like so. Get a little wiggle. And you should feel the box slowly descending. Get a little grip on the ends right here. Oh yeah, before we get into video 2, let's put the box down real quick. Before I get into video, I just want to say, in case you guys seeing this one little camera angle, my GoPro is not working. I have to film 2 videos. Well, film 2 videos with this one camera right here, so I do apologize for the focus problems going on. My GoPro doesn't want to work. It has never done this to me at all, so I had to figure and troubleshoot it out for future unboxing videos. So, I apologize for the inconvenience. You guys can see one little camera angle. I should give you guys my best impression. Just want to show you guys that real quick. Anyway, get a little wiggle like that. Now it's tightly in there, so there we go. Now, it could be the tape. So, might have to a little bit separation. There we go. The edges of the tape probably get to the box. You might want to just peel that off a little bit. And that should make these things come out way better. Alright, here we go. Now, find your perfect fit. There we go. Woo-wee! Look at the buds. I like the case. I like this little transparency right here. Flip it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Alright. I like it. There's a little comparison with the Buds 2 Pro right here. I like it. This, you kind of just, use a little nail right there, or whatever you got. There you go. These are in white. Samsung only have these in white online for trading my original Buds Pro because the case broke, but these, ooh-wee, these, wow, that looks nice. That looks nice right there. Alright, woo, alright, let's put it to the side. Woo, I'm getting a little excited right there. I wish you guys see my little smile right there, but I'm getting a little bit excited. Alright. Now this portion, we got our little USB-C cord. And then rest inside is, usual quick guide, start guide, whatever. Don't really need that. Throw that off to the side. Cable, put it right there. Here's the buds right here. My oh my. Again, use a little top-down look of both of them for a little comparison right there. Oh, speaking of which, am I supposed to get ear tips? Is this an ear tips or something? Okay, hold on one second. I'm like, wait a minute. These are earbuds. Where's the ear tips? So, Samsung kind of put a little, almost a sneaky one right there. The ear tips are gonna be in this little package right here. So, I'll show you guys that real quick. I don't want to lose these. The ear tips are gonna be, you guys can see, in a little package right there. I'm like, where are the ear tips at, yo? Where are the ear tips? I'm gonna put you a little top down right there. Put the cape over there. Alright. Let's move the bud stooper out of the way. Alright. Carabiner case little clip. Now, alright. Let's take this out. Carabiner case is gonna look like, alright, look at the protection right there. It's gonna look like this. Alright, so how you open it, I guess. And there's a little hook right there. Am I missing something? Where's the hook? Should be a little hook. Unless it's in here. Yeah, the hook is in there. Alright, how do you get this out, though? Alright, there you go. So press inward, and the little carabiner hook is right there. Right? See how it looks like you put it in the case? Alright? Oh! The lights! The lights! The lights! Alright, let's calm down. Let's calm down. Oh, the lights. Alright, so that's what's going to be in the case. Let's take out the little hook. Alright, here's the little hook. What you do, just click it onto there, and then you can attach to your keys. Or let's say, yeah, let's get my keys real quick. If I have them in front of me somewhere. Almost forgot. Okay. Here's my keys right here. There it is. That's what it looks like right around your keys. So you're a person that loses your earbuds a whole lot, you know, and want them always on you. Again, use Smart Tag. That brings you to your keys and your earbuds. But I might just leave it on the... Yeah, no. Alright, let's just take it off for this video. I may or may not put on my keys. Alright, let's take it out of the case. Alright, let's just take the earbuds out of the case real quick. The only question is, how you do that now? Alright, you know what? I'll just save this for last, though. Hold on one second. I'm trying to get this little case out, and then once I get the case out, we'll start the setting up. So just give me a few minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So we're back, and it took a little persuasion to get the case out. Like once it's in, it's thing secured in. This is what it looks like when it's off. So anyway, I have the buds right here, and I have my phone right here. Let's show you how to set up real quick. So first things first, what you want to do is, I believe, you just lift the case open, and there you go. See a little animation right there? I'm going to press connect. Wait for a little prompt. Then it's going to download the software, which will take like, I don't know, less than a minute. Review all the stuff. I'm going to read all for now. It's going to tell you about the features: adaptive noise control, voice and siren detection. And there you go, you're all set. Unlike the watch, you're not, setting up your Google account and stuff. But there you go. So again, it's actually, and there you go, now it's all connected. Let's take a look with these outside the case. Okay, got a little short stem right there. And this is what and the plate light goes right around the edge right here. And on the bottom, you do have your color indicator. So let's say, you're at work, but you're carrying earphones. All you gotta do, drop in the case like that, close them up, put in your pocket, and you're good to go. So let's say you want to take out the earbuds, flip open the lid. What you do is just slide one up, and there you go. Actually, let's do a little demo how to put them in. So these are different because for a little demo, actually, let's do a little bit comparison. Let's do a live comparison. So these are the Buds 2 Pro outside of its case. As you guys can see, these ones are a little bit on the chubby side compared to these, due to the stem. Yeah, as you can see right there. Alright, let's put those earbuds to the side. I will have to send these back to Samsung so I can save my money. Alright, again, this is how they're gonna look. Alright, I'm gonna go take it to my camera real quick. Take off the tripod. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like wearing the. Actually, I'll be right back to set up my camera real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like wearing these on my ears. So I'll be right back. Alright, so right now I'm currently wearing my my Buds 2 Pros in my ears. And guys can see I do have the blade lights turned on. Here's one look over here. One look over here. Let's go ahead and have them on. And to customize the blade lights in the app, you just go to earbud controls. I'll show you guys that real quick. Kinda took me a while. So you go to earbud controls. Let me take a lower my brightness down a little bit so you guys can see. As you can see, we get earbud controls, and on the bottom it says earbud light controls. You have 3 different options. You have blinking, fade in and out, and you have steady. Oh, you got the notification out of the way. So right now these has blinking. Let's go over, it says fade in and out. So these are fading in and out, as you guys can see. Then we have steady. These are kind of the steady blinking right now. Well, these guys are simply on. I'm gonna have these as blinking. It's kind of cool. And do you know what? I could kind of see this if you're doing your bicycle. You have, of course, ambient sound mode turned on. These would do is, what the lights could do is it gives a little reminder, hey, I'm going down the road right now. I can kind of see these now. These probably have a little bit of effect on the battery life, but again, huge safety feature if you're doing roller skating, you're biking, or going walking in the dark, and you want someone to see just a little bit. There you go. Now, of course, let's say you just want these turned off. What you want to do is take off these earbuds right here. And I kind of want to show you. A little bit hard to get the grip, but you want to do that. What you want to do is you guys want to squeeze them. There you go. Lights are off. Same thing. Same thing. Lights are on. Squeeze. Lights are off. Squeeze both earbuds. So that's what the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro look like in your ears. with the lights on and lights off and the different light settings. Let's take it right back to the video. Alright, so prior in the video, I'm going to show you a quick bonus feature in case you guys are wondering. With the new earbuds design, do these earbuds have wireless power share? I mean, can these wirelessly charge? Not obvious answer I just said, but the answer is yes. So I bring out my phone. We're going to go to where is it at? Wireless power share. As you guys can see, it's gonna give you the icon like that. So I'm gonna flip the phone over. Watch for the green light. I mean red light, sorry. Actually, I'm bringing it closer. There you go. See a little red light right there? That means it's charging on the back of the phone, which means this will work with your wireless charging battery pack and your any other wireless charger as well. Now, in case you don't have a wireless charger, what you could do is you can also plug it in to USB-C right around the back. So that's the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And again, take a look at the little carabiner case right there. There's a little carabiner case right there. In case you guys are wondering, I got this for free with my purchase. And next week I'm going to tell you guys my overall review of it, of me using it for my walks outside of work, how it sounds, and yeah. So that's going to do it for today's unboxing and setup review. And also, well, I think that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. So alright, so that does for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro unboxing and setup. If you guys have any questions about these earbuds, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys got the Buds 3 or Buds 3 Pro, make sure you put those pictures on my Discord channel so I can check those out and of course give you a like. But again, I'm excited because I like this little transparent look to it as well. Now, alright, I'm gonna wrap this video. I was gonna say there's a little bit of mixed reactions about these earbuds. And I'm gonna say, I think these earbuds, are very unique. Now Samsung says, oh, we stay true to our design and we kind of fit these to match the ear canal to get the ultimate sound. Are these copying Apple AirPods Pros? I'm gonna say, in my opinion, no. These look very, very nice. If you get the white ones, you may get laughed at. I might say laughed at, I shouldn't say that. You may get looked a little bit weirdly, because those are gonna be AirPods. Well, you might not get looked at all, At the end of the day, normal people are gonna be like, yo, are those new AirPod Pros? No. So, again, in case you guys are watching, this is unboxing and setup of the all-new Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro. Again, guys, let me know in the comment section down below if I missed anything. Again, the review is going to be next week, so look forward to next Saturday to give you guys my overall opinion, how these sound, and of course, how they do with my runs, my 24-minute runs. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the bell for more like this. Also, like, comment, share, and follow me on social media for updates on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Have a great day and stay safe. This is Tech with Chris signing off. Peace.